Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be talking about the Mi Portable Bluetooth speaker by Xiaomi. This is one of their outdoor speakers that they offer. It currently has the Bluetooth 5.0 technology. It's lightweight, portable. They say their battery is long lasting. We're going to find that out later. And then one thing I really like about this is the true wireless stereo support. So basically you can just buy the same speaker and then you can just pair the two so that you can have the true stereo experience. So you get the left and right setup. This is also IP67 rated, meaning it's totally protected against dust, but it's only protected up until 1 meter of immersion for 30 minutes. So when you open the box, you won't expect a lot of things. It's basically just the basic stuff. So you'd get the speaker itself, you have a charging cable, and a small instructional manual. Now the speaker really is portable. It's about the size of my palm, and I'm just a regular dude. The top of the speaker is a water resistant cloth-like material that helps prevent water seeping in. And then there's the LED light, the indication light, and on top you'd see a stretchable cord so you can hang the speaker with a carabiner or your bag. At the bottom you'd see the power button. So this speaker is powered by a Type-C cable, and I'm expecting for it to be a quick charge, but again, we're gonna find out later. At the bottom of the orange cord, you'd see the charging port where it's sealed quite nicely for waterproofing, and then the manual that not everybody reads. So to turn on your speaker, you just need to press and hold the power button until the LED light comes up. There's actually something new about this speaker, specifically about the opening tone, and I'd like you to hear it. It's refreshing to hear another opening tone because most of the speakers right now in the market are following the JBL sample opening tone, most especially China speakers. And this is how it sounds like when you turn it off. Nice, right? So let's turn it back on again. And when you turn it on, when the LED light blinks, that means it's ready to pair. So let's go ahead and find our phone to try and connect it. Okay, so what happened there is that my phone actually tried to connect to another speaker, and that's the reason why it was really slow. But it's actually not the speaker's fault, and we'll try to connect it to the speaker. As you can see, you'd see the Mi Portable Bluetooth speaker on your available devices. You just click that and pairs right away. Now, when you buy the speaker out of the box, it's not fully charged. It has about 60% charged. So you can actually use that already. And now we'll try to find some music so we can hear the sound test, how it sounds like.
I'm hopeless in the
This is maximum volume.
crossfire. There's nowhere to go. I'm holding my desires my heart overflows. The only direction that I'll ever need is the deeper connection that's leading me. And I'm lost in your love when you hold me. Just hold me, 'cause I don't wanna run from your heartbeat. Your heartbeat.
Before I forget, let me show you how to connect it to another speaker so you can have the stereo setup. So once you have the other speaker ready, all you need to do is to double press the power button on the primary or your first speaker. Double click it until the LED light blinks. And once it blinks, all you need to do is just turn on the other speaker and it should connect right away. We are going to have a little outdoor test, and I'm going to switch my microphone to my regular cell phone microphone, so you will hear a lot of noise. So we're gonna do a little water test. Since it says IP67, I'm gonna dip it in the pool and then let's see what happens, okay? So
I'll ever need is a deeper connection that's leading me. Just hold me, 'cause I don't wanna run from your heartbeat. Your heartbeat. 'Cause I'm lost in your love. I can't break the moon. You're taking it all. I'm lost in your love. I'm lost in your love.
So the volume actually went down because of the water. I think some of the water went in, so that's why it's muffled. But then for this speaker, it actually floats, so you won't have to worry about dropping it. So it will just float. So see, it was just water. Now louder now. Speakers of this size normally doesn't produce a lot of bass, so for audiophiles, this is really not for you. This is more like casual listening, even movies, since you can clearly hear the vocals. This speaker is rich in treble and also is strong in the mids, but really doesn't have any bass. It has bass, you can actually feel the vibration in it, but it's really not producing that much bass. So would I recommend it? I would say yes. I mean, it's cheap, it is a known brand, so it's durable, and it's outdoor and waterproof. And that's all you really need in a small speaker.